Hey folks, today I'm diving into why the Buick Lucerne is the most reliable Buick ever produced. Buckle up, because this is going to be an interesting ride. When you think of reliable cars, brands like Toyota and Honda probably come to mind. But what if I told you there's a Buick that deserves a spot on that list? Yep, it's the Buick Lucerne. Let's start with the heart of the Lucerne, its 3.8-liter V6 engine. This engine is a true workhorse, known for its durability and low maintenance costs. According to Kelley Blue Book, the Lucerne scores an impressive 4.7 out of 5 in reliability. Over at CarSurvey, it boasts a whopping 9.6 out of 10. And RepairPal estimates that yearly maintenance will only set you back about $558. Not bad, right? Now, no car is perfect, and the Lucerne does have its quirks. Common issues include fuel pump failures if the fuel filter isn't replaced every 30,000 miles, and some pesky oil leaks from the front crankshaft seal. But overall, these are manageable problems for a car that offers so much dependability. So how did we crown the Lucerne as Buick's most reliable? We scoured data from trusted sources like Kelley Blue Book, RepairPal, and CarSurvey. After crunching the numbers, it was clear the Lucerne stood out. But let's not forget the Park Avenue, another reliable Buick. It scores the same 4.7 out of 5 on KBB and an 8.5 out of 10 on CarSurvey. It's even cheaper to maintain at just $350 per year, according to RepairPal. While it's a great choice, the Lucerne's blend of reliability and luxury edges it out. One of the standout features of the Lucerne is its 3.8-liter Buick L26 3800 Series 3 V6 engine. This engine has been around since 1962 and was continuously upgraded to enhance its dependability. With 197 horsepower and 227 pound-feet of torque, it's a solid performer. In the real world, Lucerne owners have reported high mileages with minimal issues. One owner even crossed the 160,000-mile mark with only minor problems like a slipping transmission and a faulty wheel sensor. This kind of longevity is what makes the Lucerne a standout. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, used luxury sedan, the Buick Lucerne should definitely be on your radar. It's a testament to Buick's engineering and a worthy contender for the title of the most reliable Buick ever produced. All right, gearheads, that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments if you have any experiences with the Lucerne, or if there's another car you think deserves the spotlight. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.